Hey there, welcome back to the Maverick channel, and we're going to talk about cryptocurrency wallets today. Now, it might seem like a very simple gesture, but hitting that like and subscribe button goes a really long way, because remember, the best treasures are found during the hardest of times. So without further ado and without wasting any person's time, let's get it. Wallets can be categorized in a few categories. There is a hot wallet, there is a cold wallet. Now, in those subcategories, you can also have a hardware wallet, you can have a paper wallet, and you can have a software wallet. What you download onto your computer, your phone, that's a software wallet. An example of a hardware wallet is a physical device, for example, a Ledger Nano, a Trezor, a KeepKey. This is where you keep your cryptocurrencies on a hardware device, kept away off the internet. Now, when it's off the internet, it's a cold wallet. You could also have a software wallet that's constantly off the internet. Maybe it's a type of wallet that's never connected to the internet. Maybe it has that option of not being connected to the internet, but it stores your cryptocurrencies because it has the different private keys to different cryptocurrencies. So it can generate multiple cryptocurrencies addresses, which means you can send cryptocurrencies onto that address. Now, you can also have a paper wallet. This paper wallet has a QR code that contains, information to read, information regarding your private keys. So your private keys are the keys that lead to your public key onto which your specific cryptocurrency is sent. Now, you can have a paper wallet that contains a QR code that contains your private key. Now, if someone wants to send you, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum onto that paper wallet, all they have to do is scan that QR code and send you your cryptocurrencies. But your private keys are hidden away somewhere, and your wallet essentially exists on this piece of paper that represents your wallet. So now, what we want to talk about today actually is a standard that's developing in the cryptocurrency space. But before we talk about the standard, let's look at this blockchain. It's called the Wax blockchain. The reason why I'm talking about Wax, I'm not really going to go into the details of Wax because they deal with NFTs, gaming, and so on. The reason why I'm talking about the Wax blockchain is because they've implemented a different kind of wallet, which is a cloud wallet. Now, they do this because they want to make your life easier. You have a Google account, you've got a Facebook, you've got a Discord, a Twitter, whatever. You can sign in using those parameters or an email, and voila, you're interacting with their ecosystem, their NFTs, their cryptocurrencies like Wax and other assortment of cryptocurrencies that exist that are isolated onto their blockchain. So that's an example of a cloud wallet. The safest wallet, obviously, is a hardware wallet that's cold, that's never connected to the internet, or a paper wallet that's cold. Those are some of the safest wallets. Then when you go into a software wallet, it's a little less safe, but it depends on how well you manage your security or the private keys that give you access to that software wallet. And of course, you have to do your research in making sure that the people that develop this software wallet obviously don't have backdoors, as in a way to look into your private keys. Now, we want to talk about this standard of wallets that's developing. When you get into a Web3 platform like, for example, ChangeNow, you notice there's a symbol here. When you click onto this symbol, it opens up a whole bunch of wallets that you can log into. We're going to talk about what the symbol means. It's a new standard that's developing. When you go to, for example, DYDX, their testnet, the version they want to launch, you see this symbol right here. And when you scan this QR code, you should be able to log in with a compatible wallet or with a wallet that they support that's compatible with that standard. When you go into a platform like Uniswap, you can log in with the Uniswap wallet, you can log in with the Trust wallet, which I'll talk about that, Coinbase wallet, or you can log in with a wallet that's compatible with this Wallet Connect standard. So what is this Wallet Connect standard? You may have seen that symbol somewhere, but you're probably confused about it. So Wallet Connect, they're developing a Web3 standard which incorporates multiple wallets. So you can ignore all these, maybe they're making it chat or whatever. But essentially, the whole point of Wallet Connect is that if you have a Web3 wallet that looks into your own ecosystem, like the Rainbow wallet or MetaMask or Argent or multiple other wallets, you can incorporate it within the standard they've created, so that when you go into a Web3 platform like ChangeNow or like Uniswap, essentially all you have to do is log in with your Wallet Connect wallet, you get a QR code, and you log in with your compatible wallet. So pretty much you can go onto their website and see the multiple wallets that are incorporated. You don't need to see this because it's up to the ecosystem, it's up to the wallet, it's up to the blockchain, it's up to the people, the creators of this wallet, to get into this ecosystem and implement these features, because I think it benefits everyone. A standardized way of logging into a particular decentralized finance Binance platform or whatever services you want to use in the Web3 arena. So for example, you can see they show you that they implement MetaMask, which is the biggest Ethereum wallet, Trust Wallet, Safe Wallet, Rainbow Wallet, Uniswap, and many others, Kepler, Crypto.com, OKX, Coinbase. So many other wallets, actually the ones that we're going to talk about today, are mostly implemented here. Some may not be, but most of them are. It's pretty impressive that we have all these standards developing, because the better the user interface, the better the adoption curve. Now, different people may have their different reasons as to why they're holding cryptocurrencies. Maybe you have very valuable NFTs or cryptocurrencies and you want to store them away in a hidden wallet somewhere, or you're a bit tribal and specific about a particular blockchain and you want to interact with their different features, like staking, for example, in a proof of stake network. But it's pretty impressive the strides that are being made. Now, when you go to a site like CoinMarketCap, you can click on any cryptocurrency. I've just clicked Bitcoin, for example, in this case, but click on pick and choose any cryptocurrency you want. And when you go to the markets, you see the most dominant exchanges. Now, in case you're new to the crypto market, these aren't really, these are more like centralized wallets. They're called exchanges, the places you go to trade multiple different cryptocurrencies. Ideally, you want your cryptocurrency to be listed on these exchanges because they have the most liquidity. You probably find immediate trades, immediate execution of trades, and you find many other different trading features, like maybe you're trading on futures or whatever other trading. If you're a trader, this is the perfect place for you to go. So you find the most dominant centralized ecosystems like Binance, Coinbase, Bithumb, KuCoin, Kraken. These exchanges mostly hold a lot of cryptocurrencies. For example, Binance looks like this. They've implemented other trading features where you can exchange tokens easily. But when you go to the spot trading account, you find multiple cryptocurrency pairs listed, maybe Aave/BTC or Cardano/BTC or Ethereum/USDT. And you can trade those with live people putting their offers here. So these are people placing their offers. For example, this is Bitcoin USDT. So you find that it's trading at 28,000. That's what people are selling at. These people are buying at this price. So you can see this price is always the intersection between the buyers and sellers. And this constantly happens regardless of the market conditions, bear or bull market conditions. Coinbase is one of the other most popular global exchanges out there where that kind of trading occurs. Now, sometimes these exchanges have their own wallet. Like Binance has its own wallet. It's not the most popular Web3 wallet, but it exists. So they do have a Web3 wallet in case you're a Binance fanatic and you have a lot of Binance tokens and you want to easily interact with their staking ecosystems, or maybe you trade a lot on Binance and you want to take advantage of their low trading fees and so on, and you hold their tokens or Bitcoin or whatever, and you're really into Binance, then you might want to use their wallet because it might easily give you access to their trading platform, which makes your life easier to do trading and to respond quickly to whatever you're doing. Coinbase also has its wallet. It's a little bit more popular than Binance. Actually, you find it as a ready to login wallet on the Wallet Connect standard. The Coinbase wallet is the wallet that you readily find in ecosystems that have implemented that Wallet Connect standard. Now, one of the most popular wallets we've talked about is the Ledger Nano. So generally, just going through different wallets that people use mostly in the crypto space, the Ledger Nano is the most used hardware wallet out there. So the Samurai wallet actually is a Bitcoin trading wallet specifically for Bitcoin, a Bitcoin wallet for the streets, a modern Bitcoin wallet hand forged to keep your transactions private and your identity masked. So if you want a quick place, an application, maybe to keep your Bitcoin, you have a couple of Bitcoin that you quickly trade or send back and forth. That's an example of a good wallet that you can actually have. They have the Android version, the Google Play, F-Droid, so different app stores where you can actually download this wallet, and you can have your nice trusted private wallet to keep a little bit of your Bitcoin that you're trading, not a whole bunch of your Bitcoin. Now, more generalized wallets like the Trust Wallet are extremely popular. Trust Wallet is one of those multi-chain wallets that exist that's extremely popular. They were actually acquired by Binance a couple of months ago or a couple of years ago. And this is arguably one of the most popular wallets out there to hold multiple assets. So if you don't want to have a specific wallet for a specific, chain or blockchain, and you just want a place to hold your multiple cryptocurrencies for some reason, maybe you just want to send them, you have a quick address in case someone wants to send you crypto, you can receive them onto this wallet. They support the native, addresses for these different cryptocurrencies like Atom, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot. The Trust Wallet is a go-to wallet for that. There's others like the Exodus Wallet, which is also multi-chain. So you can hold the native cryptocurrencies of different chains onto this wallet. You can go into other ecosystems, because I really wanted to look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies somewhere there, because there are a whole bunch of wallets out there and you can't finish them. There's a ton of cryptocurrencies out there. Now, if you go to more specific chains, I brought out Cosmos because their Kepler wallet is a little bit more advanced, and so it gives you access to the Cosmos ecosystem. So the most multiple cryptocurrencies in the Cosmos ecosystem, like Stride, Cosmos Hub, Fetch, Osmosis, and so on. And with this wallet, you can actually, have access to things like staking. You can customize to having an inbox, active proposals in case you want to vote on particular proposals, you want to see your NFTs or transaction history. So some of these wallets really get you into the midst of exploring different blockchains in different ways. And that's the reason why I mentioned that you may want to have a specific wallet for a specific ecosystem, because it might give you a little bit more than a generalized wallet like Trust Wallet. I mean, if you want to have more than just holding a cryptocurrency, but you want to have access to their different features like staking. Ecosystems like Polkadot have their own recommendations of wallets that you can use that will make your life easier in interacting with their ecosystems. Some of these wallets are, web-based wallets, so you can connect and sign in with a web-based wallet whilst also interacting with their platform. So when you go to their website, obviously, if you're excited about a particular cryptocurrency, you'll find a lot of information about it. If you're into Ethereum, any Ethereum virtual machine, actually, if you're in crypto, you have to have the MetaMask wallet. You got to have the MetaMask wallet because it is compatible with a standard called the Ethereum virtual machine standard, of which most of the cryptocurrencies adhere to that standard. So they might not be on the Ethereum blockchain, but they might be on a blockchain which adheres to that standard, which makes your life easier to access that cryptocurrency. Now, of course, they've created a dashboard where you can view your assets, you can buy and sell, you can swap different tokens within that particular blockchain. You can bridge from one blockchain to another within the Ethereum virtual machine standard. You can stake, have access to staking on the Ethereum network. You can send and receive, you can create a watch list and stuff like that. So sometimes when you have a specific wallet, you have access to different features you may not have somewhere else. XRP, obviously you want to get the Sam wallet, because with the Sam wallet, that's how actually they pronounce it, Sam wallet and not Zoom. So you get the Sam wallet, you can create multiple other XRP chains or interact with XRP specific features, and this is the best wallet to interact with the XRP ecosystem. Of course, there are other details out there, other ecosystems, other online standards that you can interact with to have access to more features, but as a starter, this is the best way you can interact with it. When you go to more popular blockchains, like Solana, usually the Phantom wallet is the best wallet you want to use on the Solana blockchain, because it will give you pretty much all the features you want to have access to in Solana: NFTs, staking, and so on and so forth. And of course, the basic sending and receiving. When you go to the website of Cardano, you find the Typhon wallet. Since that's the first one, it might be the most, ideal wallet to interact with. And indeed, when you open the wallet, you realize that it gives you to a little bit more, your gateway to Cardano. I mean, gateway is something that will give you access to pretty much all the features that it's the way this blockchain or this ecosystem talks to you as an end user. So you may want to have their native wallet if you want to have a little bit more features that you might not get from a centralized exchange or another generalized wallet or a paper wallet and so on. Then of course, Dogecoin is part of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. They recommend their wallets, but of course, for a currency like Dogecoin, it's a meme coin, but it's pretty much decentralized. So you may want to use something like the Trust wallet or the Ledger Nano wallet or the Trezor or whatever version of Trezor or Ledger or Trust wallet, Coinbase wallet. So you may want to look out for the more generalized wallet like these three if you want to, because there's not much to do with the Dogecoin token apart from sending it, receiving it, speculating it, trading it, and so on. There's not much in the ecosystem that you can do apart from that. So with cryptocurrencies as such, you might just want to get a generalized wallet because at least it has a more trusted backing in terms of security and more users, more eyes onto this wallet. All right, guys, I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.